Voila!
Ayan guys, today we're gonna unbox this package.
Alright.
I'm still eating this piece of pizza. Yeah, it's good, that's good, yeah.
Alright, so hello guys, so welcome again to
Central.
another episode of Shuttercaptured.
Central.
Okay, so for today's vlog, we're going to unbox a Huawei Nova 8i.
What?
And so we have pre-ordered a Huawei Nova 8i for before the launching, but it's only this time that Nova 8i was delivered. So we have some freebies here. So we have to open it first and check the freebies if it's really here. Alright, wow.
Wrong place for another cell phone.
Okay, so there we are, our unit. So first up, you have to cut this one.
What's that?
Okay.
Is that a cell phone?
So this is the cell phone itself, and also it's
Can I
freebie.
open it?
No, later. Let's do this one first. Okay, so first up, the first free item that we got is a wireless charging table lamp. Yes.
What is that for?
I don't know. This Huawei Band 4. Alright.
What's a band for?
It's like this one. It's a wristwatch for me.
It's mine now.
No, because we have to connect this in a cell phone. Okay, so these are the freebies, but okay, so it's a plug and charge. It has creative watch faces. It has heart rate monitoring. It has sleep tracking and 9 workout modes, and it's also water resistant up to 50 meters. Okay, so later we'll check this out. Okay.
Are you ready to see the beauty of the phone?
Okay, so
Is that a cell phone?
Yes, this is a cell phone.
Why does mommy need to change your cell phone?
Okay, so the color here is moonlight silver. Alright, so Huawei Nova 8i has like 4 colors, including this one, moonlight silver, and also interstellar blue.
Is that waterproof?
Starry black, and then blush gold. So what we ordered is a moonlight silver. Woo!
Can I see? Can I see?
Oh!
It looks like nothing.
Okay. So we put this at the side first. There. Okay, so what's in the box? We have serial numbers. There. We have how to find apps. It says here. Scan here. How to find apps. And also the box. Oh, right. So it comes with, also since it's Huawei, it comes with a jelly case.
Jelly?
Jelly case.
What's a jelly case?
This one.
It's a case that's jelly?
Yeah, it's jelly.
Can I eat it?
No. There.
Is it edible?
And also it's warranty card and manual.
Out.
There you go. And manual also. SIM ejector pin and no more. Okay. Up next is the charger brick. Charger brick is already 66 watts. It supports Supercharge, and with the battery of the Huawei Nova 8i, it can charge up to 0 to 100% for
Supercharge.
37 minutes.
Supercharge.
And the Type-C cable. There you go.
Supercharge, bro.
Type-C cable. And then earphones. Okay, so that's it. No more. Earphones back there. Charging cable Type-C.
Is that supercharge? It's supercharge.
It means it charges fast. Alright, so for the moment of truth, Nova 8i Moonlight Silver. Alright, so Nova 8i Moonlight 8i has 8 gig of RAM and 128 of ROM.
You heard that?
And it has a 6.67 screen display and just 1.35 millimeter bezel here, the sides here. It's 1.35 millimeter bezel. All right. Basically, it runs with an octa-core processor with an EMUI 11 version operating system, and then at the back, so
there's a fingerprint.
Yeah, we have here at the back, it's 4 camera. Basically, the main camera is 64 megapixels, and then the ultra wide camera is 8 megapixel.
I wish this was
a
mine.
120 degrees capture, diba? And also we have here 2 megapixels macro, and then at the front it has punch hole here. It has 16 megapixel front camera. Right, so there we go. What else are here? Okay, so that's at the back. Okay, at the front is the screen, and then at the right side of the cell phone is the fingerprint scanner and the power button also, and then the volume rocker here.
What if the power button doesn't work when Nami just opens her
And below is the speaker frame and the Type-C port, and the SIM card tray slot. So at the left side here, we don't have anything here, and on top is also speaker grills again, microphone, and a 3.5 millimeter audio jack for the headset. Okay, so what else do we need to know here? Oh, battery. Okay, battery is 4,300 milliamp hour. So 4,300 milliamp hour with using this charger brick, this supercharged charger brick.
I'm gonna use it on my tablet.
We will charge it from 0% to 100 for just like 37 minutes, and it's full already.
I'm gonna use that in my tablet.
All right. So that's it. This is our Nova 8i cell phone. Okay. So lastly, we'll just open this lamp. The freebie.
Can you charge it?
Yeah, you can charge it.
Look, can you charge something with it?
Yeah, because it says here, I think it has a charging port here. Okay. There we go. And voila! Poof! Whoa!
Shut up.
Okay.
It looks so cool.
Oh, it's an NFC charger.
Can it be used for tablets too?
I don't know if your tablet has NFC.
I'm gonna touch the case.
No. Oh, okay. No, we have to put this one up first. It's supposed to be like that. Like that, and then like that. There you go. Whoa, right? Amazing, right?
Wow.
Oh, did you turn it on? No, it's okay, don't. Okay, so we have here Huawei Band 4. So what's in the box? Manual, warranty card, and then the watch. That's it. The warranty card and the watch.
Welcome. Get started, of course.
Oh, wait for it. Not like that. Let the expert do it later, okay? Okay, so there you go.
It's so cool. I wish that was mine.
Oh, yeah.
I wish it's yours too.
Mm-hmm. Alright, so that's it. Our Huawei Nova 8i. So, what will we say?
Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell button. And hit the bell button and don't skip ads. Bye guys.
And thank you guys for watching.